Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can create your product bundles on your Shopify store so that you can enhance your product offerings and boost your revenue. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify. So first things first, I would highly recommend that you upgrade your plan into the advanced plan of Shopify. It is only $1 per month for the first 3 months by using our link in the description. With the advanced plan, you would have all the functionalities of Shopify right here. You would not be limited on its functions compared to when you have the basic or the normal Shopify plan here. Then you would have a limited options on how you can build your store. So getting the advanced plan at this price is a really great deal. So now that you know about this, let's proceed into the video. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add an app into our store. So to do that, we simply need to go here in the apps in the left side of our screen. Right here, click on apps. And then from here, you want to go search for bundler right there. And you want to click on this button right there. And then from here, it will take us to the search result in the App Store. So from here, you want to click on this bundler right here. But as you can see, there are other apps that you can use to create the bundles. But in my case, this is my favorite. And this is what I recommend for you to use because it's very affordable and it's very convenient and it is working. And click on install once you're here. And in my case, it's open app because I have already installed this one. So let's open this app right here. Let's wait for it to load. And now it's here, right here. So in order for us to create a bundle using the bundler app is we simply need to click on the create bundle button right here. So click on it right there. And from here, as you can see, some of the options right here is unavailable right here because you would need to purchase the premium plan or premium version of this. So when you click on the ones that is not available, it will take you right here. So from here, you would need to pay $7 in order for you to have a premium subscription for 30 days. But don't worry, if it's your first time, you have a 7-day free trial. So aside from your 30 days for $7, you would also have a 7-day free trial right here. So yeah, if you'd be interested in this one, but I think if you're just going for the simple bundle, then you wouldn't really need a premium subscription. You could just go, let's just go back first. Right here, you could just create a simple bundle right here for the free version of Bundler and click on create bundle. Click for classic bundle right here. And then from here, you can go for bundle name. Right here, you can customize everything right here that is available. So in my case, it will be the bundle number 1. And for the title, this would be the one that would be will be displayed. The first one that the customers will see. This will save you a lot of money. So this is what my title would look like. And then for the description is this is you and no, I think you should buy this. Just like that. And yeah, of course, you can just customize into however you'd want. This is just for the sake of an example. And then for the total price template, in my case, I don't really want to change this up right here. I think we should just leave this be. And then for the call to action button text, I think I could go for buy now. Just like that, you can also change that. And then text under the call to action is that I only would just add free shipping right there so that they would know that this is with free shipping. Just like that. And then for the priority sequence right here is that you would want to put the bundle that you have, the one that you think is gonna sell the most. You want to put it with a lower number, so it's gonna be 1. So the lower the number here in the priority sequence, that would mean that the higher the priority. So if you have 1, then that would be the lowest one, so that would be in the highest priority. And for the 10 would be the lowest priority right here, or the lower the number right there. The higher the number, the lower the priority is. The lower the number, that would mean the higher the priority. So yeah, it's vice versa. And then for the bundle status, you want to make sure that it is active. And for the widget of the bundle, make sure that you show it right here. It's set to show right there so that the customers can see it. And then from here, you can avail these options right here if you have a premium plan in Bundler. But in my case, I don't have that. And now For the colors, you can change the colors if you want to. You can go into bundle, the bundler and settings after you have saved this bundler right here. So in my case, I'll just leave it be and go for the discounts next. For now, for the discounts is that you can go for the lower the priority is. The lower the number, that would mean the higher the priority. So yeah, it's vice versa. And for the bundle status, you want to make sure that it is active. And for the widget of the bundle, make sure that you show it right here. It's set to show right there so that the customers can see it. And then from here, you can avail these options right here if you have a premium plan in Bundler. But in my case, I didn't have one. And now for the colors, you can change the colors if you want to. You can go into bundle, the bundler and settings after you have saved this bundler right here. So in my case, I'll just leave it be and go for the discount net. For now, for the discount is that you can go for the percentage discount, or you also have a lot of discounts type. But in my case, I'll just go for the percentage discount. But you can also go for the fixed discount like here. For example, you want it to be fixed by $50 discount, and you can just go and go click or type it here for 50. And you can go for set discounts on products right here. You can also do that. Or fixed bundle price. We then go for maybe for this bundle, I would like it to be priced at maybe $70. Then I can type it right here. But in my case, I'm just going for percentage discount. So this would be this would be the original price of the bundle, all of the items in that bundle, and it could be deducted by 40% right here because this is what I chosen right here. And now for the free shipping, this is only available for premium plans. So if you want to advertise that your bundle has free shipping, then you would need to do this right here. You would need to get the premium plan, and then for the bundled product level is that if you want this to have variants, if you wanted to display variants, then you would need this like here with a premium plan. So this would be very helpful if your product has a lot of variants. Then you can click on variant plan will get. And now for the discounted products in the bundle. So these are the products that you would want to include in your bundle. So in my case, I will just be including this t-shirt, this shoes, and this sunglasses right here, and click on add. And now we now have 3 products right here in our bundle, right there. And from here, you can go and click this one right here, automatically add new product variants in case that there will be new variants added into your products, then you can click here. And then the next one is discount conditions. So these are the conditions that would need to be met in order for the customer to be able to avail the discounts right here that you have set. So in my case, I'll just go for buy all the products in the bundle. So when they buy all the products in the bundle, they would be able to get this discount right here that we have set. And yeah, now that you have known this, you can also do this right here or this one right here with the preview can for the buy minimum or maximum number of items. So depending on what number of items you would set, they would be able to avail your discount that is set right here. And then the next one is the bundle short code. So by default, bundles will display on your product pages, but with bundle short codes, you can also display them on any other pages in your shop. So if you would want them to be on any other pages, not just in your product pages, then you would need bundle short codes so that your customers can see them everywhere, so that there would be a higher chance of them buying your bundle. And for the landing page content, as you can see, this also comes with a premium plan. So if you would like a landing page, then you would need this right here with a premium plan. And after that, after you have set all of this, there is nothing more here. You can click on Save Bundle right there. And after that, you can see that the bundle is now in your website right there. So bundle widget will be displayed at the end, part of pages in the bundle. The discount will be automatically applied at checkout. So let's go and see our bundle being shown into our store. So let's go to online store right here and click on this eye icon, view your online store, click on it. So now right here, we are in our store, and this is my sample store right here for this tutorial. And as you can see, we have our products right here at the bottom, so we're just gonna click in any of them. So for example, we would want to go for sunglass right here, and then we can see the bundle already right here at the bottom. So this is basically how you can create your own bundles. In Shopify, you can see it right here, and you have your discount right here. And for the total, it would be 5,000. But now since we have our 40% discount, then it's now only 3,000 right here. So that is basically it for this video.